When I first started hearing about MoneraCap, I was intrigued but also cautious. It seemed to promise a lot. Ultra-tight spreads, fast execution, institutional-grade liquidity, and access to diverse markets. But like many of you, I've encountered platforms in the past that made big claims but fell short in practice. So I decided to give MoneraCap a try and dive deep into its features, tools, and overall performance. Let me walk you through everything I discovered, from account setup to trading strategies, and answer all the questions you might have along the way. Starting with the registration process. This is the first step, and MoneraCap makes it incredibly straightforward. You provide basic information like your name and email, set up a password, and you're halfway there. Next comes the verification step, which, let's be honest, can feel like a chore on other platforms. But here's the thing. It's absolutely necessary to ensure security and regulatory compliance. You upload your government-issued ID and proof of address, and MoneraCap processes these documents surprisingly quickly. My account was verified in just a few hours, allowing me to start trading on the same day. That's efficiency I didn't expect. Once my account was verified, it was time to fund it. Now, this is where I started noticing just how user-focused MoneraCap is. They offer multiple deposit options, from traditional methods like bank transfers and cards to modern options like cryptocurrency. Personally, I tested both a card payment and a crypto deposit to compare the experience. Both were smooth and fast, with the funds appearing in my account almost immediately. There were no hidden fees, which is a huge plus because I value transparency in financial platforms. Now let's talk about trading, which is the core of the MoneraCap experience. The first thing I tested was their claim of ultra-tight spreads starting at 0.0 pips. For context, spreads are the difference between the buying and selling price of an asset, and the tighter the spread, the lower the cost for traders. I was particularly interested in forex trading, where spreads can make or break your profitability, and I have to say, MoneraCap delivered. The spreads were consistently tight across various forex pairs, even during high volatility market conditions. Execution speed was another feature I wanted to put to the test. One of the most frustrating things as a trader is pressing the execute button and experiencing delays. In fast-moving markets like crypto or indices, even a few seconds can lead to significant losses. With MoneraCap, trades are executed in milliseconds. I tested this during peak market hours, and even during major economic events, and the execution was flawless every time. Speaking of markets, MoneraCap offers a diverse range of assets to trade. You've got stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, forex, and indices, all in one place. This kind of variety is invaluable because it allows traders like me to diversify portfolios and shift focus based on market trends. For instance, if the stock market is experiencing a lull, I can switch to trading cryptocurrencies, which are usually more volatile and active. This flexibility is one of MoneraCap's biggest strengths. Let's dive into one of their standout features, AI trading tools. Now, I'll admit I was skeptical at first. AI in trading often feels like a buzzword, but MoneraCap's implementation is impressive. These tools analyze real-time market data and provide actionable insights. They even allow for some degree of automation. While I'm more of a hands-on trader, I tested the AI tools for smaller trades, and the results were surprisingly accurate. It's like having a personal assistant keeping an eye on the markets for you. Another aspect I want to touch on is education. Trading can be intimidating, especially if you're new to the financial markets. MoneraCap offers an education center with resources for traders of all experience levels. From beginner tutorials to advanced strategy guides, there's something for everyone. I spent some time exploring their webinars and market analysis tools, and I found them to be incredibly informative. Even as someone with experience, I picked up valuable insights that improved my strategies. Now, let's talk about risk. Trading is exciting, but it comes with inherent risks, especially when dealing with leveraged products. What I appreciate about MoneraCap is their transparency. They provide clear risk warnings and emphasize the importance of informed trading. This honesty is refreshing because It shows they genuinely care about their users' success and not just their deposits. Customer support is another area where MoneraCap shines. I had a few technical questions early on and reached out to their support team. The responses were quick, professional, and thorough. What's more, their support is available in multiple languages, making it accessible to traders around the world. Knowing there's a reliable team ready to help whenever I need it adds an extra layer of confidence. Let's address a question I know many of you might have: withdrawals. It's one thing to make profits, but accessing those profits easily is just as important. I tested the withdrawal process multiple times, withdrawing both small and large amounts. Each time, the funds arrived in my bank account within the promised time frame, with no unexpected fees. This reliability is crucial for building trust in any trading platform. Finally, let's discuss the platform itself. Whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, MoneraCap's interface is sleek, intuitive, and easy to navigate. The mobile app in particular deserves a mention. It allows me to trade on the go without sacrificing functionality. Whether I'm commuting or just away from my desk, I can monitor markets, analyze trends, and execute trades seamlessly. To wrap things up, MoneraCap has proven to be a reliable, innovative, and user-friendly trading platform. It caters to both beginners and experienced traders, offering tools and resources that empower users to succeed. Of course, trading involves risks, and it's important to approach it with a clear plan and realistic expectations. But if you're looking for a platform that combines cutting-edge technology, a wide range of markets, and excellent customer support, MoneraCap is worth your time and attention. As always, trade responsibly, stay informed, and happy trading.